How to get like option on WhatsApp status. So if you want to get like option on your WhatsApp status, then first you need to simply go with your Play Store and make sure that you've updated the WhatsApp application. Just search for WhatsApp and update it if you have any updates. Tap on update and update it. And once you've updated, what you need to do is just open up your WhatsApp, go with the upper right which has that three dots, tap on settings. Now under settings you need to scroll down and go with the help section. Under help, tap on help center. Now under your help center you need to simply go with the search or just go with get started, which is on the first, and under get started tap on status option. Now under status here you will have a lot of options, so you just need to simply tap on the first option which is about status, and after that scroll down, go with no and tap on other and tap on submit feedback and tap on contact us, which is on the bottom right, and it will take you to this kind of page where you just need to simply write, hi WhatsApp team, my WhatsApp account status like option is not showing, but I want to get this option, so please help me by solving the issue, and tap on next, which is on the bottom right, and just follow with the steps and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can get a like option on your WhatsApp status, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.